let us watch this professional cutting herself hair. I think he did a great job, let's look at it. As I always tell you guys that we have different strategy of getting your hair cut done. You get it? This is a creative industry. The industry we are in is creative. So any idea that you have, you think you can put it out there, people will learn. See, everything is perfect. You understand? Any idea that you have, you think if you put it out there, it's gonna be perfect, people gonna love it. Try and put it out there. You understand? Don't always follow people. Try and create something for yourself to stay unique on the internet. Look at this, very beautiful, very nice. 360 waves and with back. This hairstyle, I never see this hairstyle before. This is lovely. I love it. This is nice haircut. I really love it. This is your number one hairstyle. If you come across this video, make sure you follow me. Stay connected for more. Hi guys, enhancement process. As I always tell you guys that don't let anybody lie to you that enhancement is abomination and it's not good. Everybody need enhancement. Everybody nowadays. If you don't know how to do it, you better learn it, because it is the one ruling in the system. It is the one trending. You understand? Enhancement, it make the work nice and sweet and beautiful. You get it? So wherever you find yourself as a beginner barber, don't let anybody lie to you that sometimes I come across some comment that enhancement is a scam and those stuff. Hey, make nobody lie to you. If you don't know how to do, you better learn it, because it is raining. So as a beginner barber, try and learn how to apply the enhancement. It's very important. It will help you, you understand, to become one of the toppest barbers in the system. You understand? No matter wherever you find yourself, enhancement is, it's now trending everywhere. If you go to Europe, having a beard is like having a baby. You need to treat it well. You understand? You need to get good product for it. You understand? Before your beard can grow like this, as you guys can see my own, I always make sure I wash it nice, put more cream in it, make it soft, comb it every morning, every evening. I make sure I comb it so the beard is always soft. You understand? And when you comb it, you stretch it. You understand? A lot of you guys don't know how to keep beard, but you want to grow beard, because if you have a beard, it's a whole lot of job. You have to make sure you are treating it well, you are combing it day in and day out, you are applying pomade to it so that it can be nice. Don't keep your beard anyhow. Beard is now a fashion, and a lot of people are crying for it. People are buying products, want it to come, but it's not coming. So if you are lucky and you have it, make sure you get a good product for it. You understand? Get a nice product for it. When you are bath and apply to it, after applying, make sure you clean it very nice. Apply normal normal pomade to it. Comb it, brush it, make it soft, make it shine. You understand? Yes, this is one else. I tip myself from West Africa, Ghana. If you come across this video, make sure you share, comment, say, follow me for more tips.
That's what the brand is all about. From an athlete perspective, this industry shoe business, we all know it's hard.
So finally, waterproof enhancement is in. This is crazy, man. This is going to, this is what the barbers have been asking for, and finally, waterproof enhancement is here. Yeah, according to the information, if you apply this enhancement, it's going to take like 2 to 3 to 1 month before the shape will go off. And this is lovely. I think the barbers love this. The client will love to get this type of enhancement, but you're not gonna get it. We are gonna use the 2-3 days one so that you can keep returning back to us so that we barbers we can make money. As I always tell you guys, your tip master, your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. I'm on the highway to always come out with something that will help us to, upgrade ourselves in the barbering industry. So if you come across my videos, make sure you follow me, stay connected for more tips, you understand? Wherever you find yourself, make sure you like, share, comment for others to benefit. You understand? I've told you guys that, barbering is now getting to a certain level nobody will understand, you understand? Because we are taking barbering to the highest level. This is waterproof enhancement. If you apply this, it's going to take 2-3 weeks before the shape go off, and this is lovely. I think more clients will love to have this type of enhancement. Don't worry, we'll give it to you guys, but you guys should try and keep coming back. Alright guys, let's watch this self-cutting. I really love to see this, but some of them don't really know how to do it, so they end up messing up their shape and everything. But as for this one, I think he did a professional job here. Watch out, see how he trimmed mustache, beard, back fade, everything. I think I love it. He really done well. It's not easy to trim yourself, so see how he's giving the line at the neck side. I think he's trying his best. I love this. See how he's shaping the beard. Apply cream, use the razor blade, dress up everything. I love it. It's nice. He really did well. Applying enhancement, the white, everything is on point. I love it. Sometimes I don't really understand, why will you worry yourself if the natural hair is off? Why will you worry yourself fixing the artificial? I don't think this is safe. They may have some side effect. Look at this. It's so terrible. I don't understand. Why will you guys worry yourself, putting artificial hair on your, if the hair is off, just leave the skin alone. Just let the skin rest. Why will you put in chemicals? I don't think. This may have some side effect, you understand? This may have, because nature is nature and you cannot deceive nature. You can try your best to be, do certain things that will look like nature, but you cannot, you cannot do it like nature, because nature is great, nature is everything, you get it? So I don't understand. So I don't understand. Leave the hair alone. Leave the skin alone. Let the skin rest. All these things. How long is this going to last? 1 week, 2 weeks, and you have to remove it and replace it. Just leave the hair alone.
Your clients want enhancements that last longer than 2 minutes. Give them Flow Permanent. It lasts 7 to 14 days. Comment the word waterproof down below and I'll send you the link to Elevate. Your clients want enhancements that last longer than 2 minutes. Give them Flow Permanent. It lasts 7 to 14 days. Comment the word waterproof down below and I'll send you the link to Elevate.
Hi guys, this is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. I want to show you guys something. A lot of you guys have been asking me, what do you use to apply the enhancement? What do you use to apply the enhancement? Today I'm here to show you. I'm here to teach you how to get it for yourself. You understand? Wherever you find yourself. This is what I use for the enhancement. You see, this is fresh. This is a used one. You see, this is the bowl. So when you mix the dye here, you use the plastic. It's a plastic. You use it to stick in like this. You understand? Stick in like this, then you use it, you know, to stick on the shape like this. You understand? Yes, it's very simple. You understand? So let me quickly show you how to get it. Get yourself a plastic like this. You know, any plastic, any form of plastic. It could be SIM card or whatever. Just get it like this. Then get yourself the scissors. You understand? Then you see the sizes. It was full, then I cut it into sizes. So you want to cut it, you yourself, you can decide to cut it big, you can decide to cut it, you know, small one, or anyhow. But this is how I do it. So you measure it like this, you get it, then you cut it. You can cut it, this one you can cut it like 3 different categories. So you see, you cut it like this. That is number 1. You can also cut another one too, you know. You can also cut another one. You see, now you have 3. You get it? You can use here, you can use here. So it depends on you where you can use it. You understand? You can use here, take like this. You get it? You can also use here. You can also use here to take like this. But I prefer you use here because the vertical line is sometimes not too long. It's not suit this one. So if you use this side, it means, you see, it means, let's assume the vertical line is here and you use this one, you see it passes the vertical line. So I advise you use this one. You know, you can start from the top, then you come down small, then you come down small, then until you get to the C curve. You understand? This is your number one hairstyle. If you come across this video, make sure you follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips. You understand? This is your number one hairstyle from West Africa, Ghana. Rat-ta-ta, your tip master. Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta. follow me for more. You understand? Follow me. I have more for you guys. You understand? I always tell you guys that on the highway, no one is perfect. We are all trying to learn. You understand? We are all trying to be professionals. You understand? So I like the way if I post something, more professionals come under the comment section to show their opinion, and I really love it. You understand? Really love it, because me myself, I'm really enjoying the comment section. I'm learning a lot from the comment section. So as a beginner barber, try and join my page. Follow me, stay connected. Every day I post tips. You understand? So that you can enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. Bye. Hi guys, this is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. A lot of you guys are on my DM asking what can I use to get my curls hair and those stuff. You understand? Today I'm here to show you the product I use. When it comes to easy waves, we have different products of easy wave, but let me show you the one I'm using. You see, I buy it in bulk. I buy it in sets. So let's start from the big one. This is the cream, the easy waves cream. You get it? This is the cream. So it's almost finished. So this is the cream, and this is the oil that we use to spray after everything so that it will be shining and those stuff. And this one too is the activator. You get it? So it's 3 in 1. This is what I use to get my easy wave done. You get it? So maybe you can decide to go and buy only this one, and buy maybe different activator. It's cool. But as for me, as a professional barber, I believe in the set. If I get this one, the cream, get the activator, get the oil spray, everything work out perfect for me. You understand? So if you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. You understand? If you use easy way, make sure you buy the set, then you can enjoy the full results of getting your curls done. You understand? This is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. Ra ta 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 ta.